For the N2 Neoloop link cords, you will receive 2 sets of these metal clips, 2 sets of these plastic housings, as well as the link cord itself. To install the link cord, you'll first start with the metal clips. Those are installed onto the Neoloop itself. And there are teeth on the bottom of the metal clips that push into the Neoloop product. This holds the clips in place. And that is installed on both sides. You want to be careful to make sure you get them close to the ends, so it looks something like that once they're installed. You'll then want to take your link cord and start with one end. The link cord has metal prongs on the bottom side. You want to pull the silicone back, and those metal prongs will slide between the circuit board inside the Neoloop as well as the plastic backer. You will then repeat that process on the same side. Again, the prongs go between the plastic backer and the circuit board. So you pull that back, slide that in. At that point, your connection looks like this. You'll then take your plastic housing piece, install it, and then the top plastic housing piece goes over top. You will hear a positive click when it engages, and you'll have this end to look like this. You'll then repeat that same process on the other end of your link cord. Again, take your plastic bottom piece, install it on, take the top plastic, push it on, and again, you'll hear a positive click when you have it installed correctly. And at that point, you have your link cord installed.